Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily turn off passenger airbag on any AMG car. So, I am on the MGS 5 EV. Now, if you want to do this, you need to go over into the car icon right here. Now you need to switch to convenience. And once you're in the convenience section, you should see passenger airbag as the first option. To turn it off, you simply click on the off and it will ask you if you're sure that you want to disable it. So we're going to click on confirm. And as you guys can see, we get the notification right at the top here that our passenger airbag is turned off. So here we can turn it back on and we see that it says that it's turned on, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.